This has got to be one of the hardest pool comparisons I've ever had to do. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the infamous Aiper S1. This is actually the 2026 model versus the brand new Gosvor LiteVac G1. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. First things first, I do want to thank Aiper for sending both these out to me for a full honest review. And that is right, Aiper sent me a Gosvor because they are a sister brand of Aiper, but they are a more affordable brand and they have very similar products, including this Gosvor LiteVac G1. But don't be fooled by that name just because it has a LiteVac in there. In my testing, this thing does just as well as most other mid-range pool cleaners. I've actually done a full comparison video of the top 5 selling mid-range pool cleaners. If you guys want to see that comparison of all 5 of them, then definitely check out that link in the top right corner after the video. I also have a comparison chart on my website, so if you want to see a comparison of all the pool cleaners that I've been reviewing, definitely check out that link down in the description. Now, the biggest difference looking at these two online is the price. They're about a $200 difference. Obviously, you can get Aiper S1 from 2025 or 2024 that still might be available. That's a little cheaper. I know for a fact the 2024 model did not come with an ultra fine filter and does not have access to the app. In the 2025 model, you did get both of those, but I think it was a lower battery rating if I'm not mistaken. I could be. I never actually tested the 2025 version. But like I said, this is the 2026 version. And secondly, the Aiper is a little bit bigger of a pool cleaner, coming in at 17 pounds. And it's also a little bit wider and slightly taller, where the Gosvor only comes in at 15.2 pounds. And both of these came in. One, the Aiper was 39. I saw it was the max when I pulled it out of the pool. And the Gosvor, which was 45, could just been the shot of the camera. Or it could have just been the frame of the camera. They didn't see a higher number, but that's what I saw. But understand when you're pulling this out, it's just for a split second. But overall, if you're looking for something lighter, then definitely go for the Gosvor. But let's go back to this price. So right now, they are currently about $200 difference. And in all honesty, they both clean just as well. They both do the floors, they both do the walls and the water line. They both have an app and they both have ultra fine filters. And both these also have to be manually plugged in, as neither one of these have a dock. Now the app is a little bit more redefined and user friendly on the Aiper than the Gosvor, but in all honesty, you're really not using that much, as you cannot communicate with the pool cleaner when it's in the water. So really there's not much use for it, except for maybe a little bit scheduling ahead of time so you can have it set on a schedule if you do happen to leave it in the pool. Because most of the other things that you can control, like the mode setting, is right on the machine itself, and it's a lot easier to press the button on the machines than it is to go inside the app and go through that process. And yes, I did get a little bit more coverage in my testing of one auto mode or one smart mode, one complete mode, where on the Aiper it was 94% and on the Gosvor it was only 92%. But as I continue testing it and watching it, it really, you can't tell a difference because you're not just using it once, you're using it every other day. And it really does. Both of these do a terrific job of cleaning, as both of them follow some type of map or mapping. I know Aiper has a term for it, which they call it the Wave Path 2.0, which is its cleaning pattern to make sure that it covers the entire pool. And Gosvor goes in a very similar pattern, as it doesn't randomly go everywhere. It follows straight lines, kind of like an S pattern on the floor, and sometimes like a W or an N pattern on the walls. And yes, the gallons per hour rating is higher on the Aiper. You also have a higher rating of square footage for your pool on the Gosvor, which both these numbers really doesn't matter unless you have some extremely dirty, massive pool. Because like I said, you're going to be using this every other day, every couple days. And yes, one might do better in one pass than the other, depending on so many other factors that these little specs really don't matter, as everything does get clean. I am sure you'll disagree with me because there's ones that have higher gallons per hour and has higher suction, and it can get, in the scientific test, it might actually look better. That's sucking in more and better and faster. But in real life, I gotta tell you, you put this in the pool and it's going to clean it in a couple cycles, just like most of them, where even the best is still going to miss stuff, and you're going to have to do multiple cycles anyways if your pool is that dirty. So what is the biggest differences? Obviously, price plays an important part. Name brand, if that's a thing to you. Obviously, Aiper has been around a lot longer, more well known. But then again, Gosvor is a sister brand of Aiper, but they haven't been around that long. And then it comes down to actual battery life, where the Gosvor has a rated battery life of 150 minutes. I actually got on smart mode or auto mode 144 minutes, and then on the Aiper has a rating of 180 minutes, and I actually got 230 minutes. Now that was with only the 2026 model. I did get less with the 2024 model that I tested 2 years ago. So I do think it's a different battery, or they changed something in here to get more battery life out of the S1 2026 model. And I think that is the biggest difference next to price. So which one do I recommend? Honestly, you can't go wrong with either one, as long as you're okay knowing both these are very basic in-ground pool cleaners, and they're both going to do a terrific job of cleaning your pool. But if you want a little bit longer battery life, or you want to get the name brand, definitely go for Aiper. But if you want something cheaper or lighter, then the Gosvor is definitely the way to go. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. If you guys want to see all the specs and comparisons and tests that I did on these pool cleaners, or if you want to see individual reviews of these, I'll leave all those links down in the description. And if you guys want to check out any of these current pricing, I'll leave affiliate links down there also. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If it was, hit that like button. And if you're brand new here, make sure you hit subscribe. That way you get notified of when I put out new videos. I do a lot of pool cleaners and other tech stuff that you might love. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.